Image to 3D is an incredible feature that brings your projects to life, but there will be times when you need to break an image into multiple parts so that you can manipulate individual pieces or build separate components for your 3D model. PicoBerry recently released a new feature called Parts Breakdown. Parts Breakdown lets you take a character, mech, or vehicle image and turn it into an exploded part sheet. From there, you can convert those parts straight into 3D. The first thing you want to do is open the image you want to break apart in the image feed. This should be the one you generated in PicoBerry. From there, you'll see a menu button. Click it. Open the drop-down and then choose Decompose to Parts. Give it a moment to analyze the image. PicoBerry will automatically detect what type of image it is, whether it's a mech, a vehicle, a character, or creature. And then it will separate everything for you. Once it's done, it lays out all of the parts neatly inside of the frame. The engine and model are chosen automatically, so you don't have to worry about settings. It picks the best option for the type of image you're working with. Now that your image is broken into parts, you can do a few things with it, including sending it directly to Image to 3D. Another option you can use with Parts Breakdown is exporting the decomposed image and cropping out specific pieces you want to work with individually. You can then bring those cropped images back into PicoBerry to generate separate 3D models for each part. This approach can be useful when you want to control over individual components or you need very clean, isolated geometry. This is simply an additional workflow you can use depending on your project needs. Both methods are valid, and it really comes down to how you prefer to build and organize your assets. Overall, Parts Breakdown is a powerful new feature that opens up tons of creative possibilities inside of PicoBerry. It gives you far more control over how your assets are built, letting you break down complex images and turn them into clean, organized components you can use throughout your project. It's a flexible tool that really expands what you can create and how you approach your 3D workflow.